everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys my no foundation routine. Clearly you guys see I'm using the CoverFx blurring primer, and I'm applying that all over my face where the concealer is not, because where the concealer is I actually have an under eye primer from e.l.f. there. And then I'm using the LAgirl concealer closer to my skin tone to just go ahead and cover up the dark spots under my eyes, redness by my nose, and the areas of my mouth where I have dark veins. I tap it in first with my fingers to get the most coverage possible, and then I go in with the brush to ensure that everything is blended out cohesively. So this look is basically something I've been liking doing when I'm in a rush or when I just want minimum makeup on, and basically the summer weather makes me not want to have a full face on. So concealer has been my best friend this whole summertime since June, basically since summer started. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild contour stick and the concealer in light ivory, and I put the light concealer in the inner corner only so that it is just brightening up a little bit, and just the contour stick to give my face some shadow and some color. Now I'm going in with the Airspun Loose translucent powder, and I'm going in with my technique sponge, making sure I'm not gonna send any crease and making sure everything is blended into my skin properly before I set it. Now when I apply the powder, I'm putting very light powder onto my face because I don't want it to feel heavy, and I still want my skin to be breathable. Now all I'm doing here is just taking a nice fluffy brush and blending all the powder in and any excess off my face, because I don't want it to look cakey, and like I said, I want my face to be breathable. Now I'm taking the Bhcosmetics Sculptor contour palette, and I'm using the lightest shade to go ahead and add the little shadow to my face. I didn't use the dark shade because, like I said, I want it to be very minimum makeup, very natural. Now what you see me doing is I'm just putting the contour shade very lightly into my skin, tapping it in very lightly, nothing crazy. And I'm using a pretty Vulgar blush. I really love this shade, it's really nice. I don't know the exact shade name, but I will link it in the bottom of the description box. Very lightly putting that onto my cheeks and using that highlight from the Bhcosmetics Sculptor palette, and I am pretty amazed with this glow. It is really blinding. Now I'm going with the Tropicana palette, and I'm using that peach shade to give my eye a little nice glowing color. And that's about all I did to my eyes. Add some mascara. I'm using the DodoLashes mascara on my top lashes from Cosmetics, and then using Bad Gal on my lower lash. So for my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with this lip liner. I do not know the name. I don't want to say it, so I'm not going to botch it. But I'm going to line my lips and then add the Pixi plus Chloe Morello Lip Cake Icing lip gloss. So I just line my lips with the lip liner as dark as I can get it. And what I do is I go ahead and I pucker my lips to blend it together, and then with my finger tap it in and like rub it in, and then I add the gloss. So you'll see that all in a minute. And just watch. Yeah, so you see how I just pucker my lips and kind of like rub it together to like spread that down on my lip, and then right there with my finger. So that technique works best for me. You don't actually have to follow the same exact steps. Do what works best for you, but that works good for me. And I go ahead and I just add the lip gloss and just rub my lips together again. I did off camera add a little bit more liner after the gloss just to darken the outside of my lips. So I'm using these Salon Perfect lashes in the 615. I wasn't initially going to put any lashes on, but since I already had minimum makeup on, I wanted something to pop, so I decided to put some lashes on. These are my favorite lashes to use when I do very minimum makeup. It's has like a natural kind of look, but still has a slight bit drama in it. And you guys know I love these lashes. These are my favorite drugstore lashes, as well as the 614 lashes, also from Salon Perfect. So now I'm going to head and set my face with the Cosmetics Makeup and Mist Spray. I'm going to be extra generous with the setting spray. And then this is the finished look, my no foundation routine. I have been really loving this routine. I actually can't believe I have no foundation on. I have nice coverage in other areas that I need it at. And yeah, if guys ever want to know what a face with no foundation look like, then this is it right here. You would have never guessed that I have no foundation on. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's become subby buddies. Bye.